What's up, guys? Today I'll be making my first creation. So we're gonna make a paper airplane that was invented by me. I just randomly made it at my house. Just randomly made it with a ruler, and then I just made it. So let's get right into it. So the ingredients are this: 2 sheets of papers, tape, regular tape, and a ruler that has about 12 inches and 30 centimeters. About that much is perfect. So okay, now let's get right into this. Just fidget. Okay, so first I'm gonna put our paper like this. So you see a quarter of it. It's a quarter of it. This much. You fold it like you have it like this, and then till you see the back quarter of it. And then you get the ruler, the 12-inch ruler, and then stab it inside here. Stab. And then this 6 right here. So you're gonna put that 6 on the edge of your paper. So 6 right here. Then upside down. You're gonna put 6 like this, and 6 in the middle of the ruler. 6 right here. Then 6 right here. So you're gonna line it up to the straight line, and then put it on the all the way bottom. And then if you stab it inside there like this, you are going to tape the part. Okay, tape this part. I'll show you in a second. So like this, you tape it right here. Right here. One is fine. One long tape is fine. Oh, we'll put more tape later. And then we just do this to the 6. And then this part is done, so just put it off on the side. And then we got this tape right here. So we get another piece of paper and do the same thing. So you have the quarter. So you get this, and then you need to line it up with the same one. Make sure you you line it up like this, and then put it like this. So you go down. The edges have to match like this, and then just need to put it back right here. This, and then you just fold it, and you fold it, and you fold it, and then, wait, no, I made a mistake. Okay, so I line it up, and then make it like this, and then you crease it. Okay, now it should look like this. It might come off, but it's fine. It should look like this. The camera's not big enough. It should look like this. So, and then you need to put another tape on it. Put another tape. Okay, it can be any size. It will work with any size. So now we got this. So we need to put them together. Put them together. We need to put them together so it doesn't come off to each other. So you get a big chunk of tape, and then just put it in the middle. So make sure you can't see the ruler until there. Until you can't see the ruler. Cover it up. This is pretty pretty hard. This part's pretty hard. For me, it's hard. Sometimes it's not. And that, oh, the roller came out. So if your tape is not big enough, so okay, you do that, and then wait, I made a mistake, guys. Don't slow down. Slow down. Okay, so first you get this, right? And then you need to put the ruler. You get it upside down like this, and then you put it together. Don't put it together yet. So you're gonna make the tape round. Make the tape round. This, and this. Make the tape round like this. Make the round one. The round one. See? Okay, and then remember I showed you the 6, right? You need to line it up right there. And then the pocket under here, you need to put the pocket under the pocket under here. Sorry to explain. The pocket under here, right here. You need to put that tape inside there. So it should be on the top. Like this. Okay. And then you get the pocket and put the tape inside. Okay. So don't forget, make sure to line it up with a 6. Line it up with a 6. Okay. It can be like out like this. Out like this. The tape can be out because you just need, if it's so much out, that's a good thing because you can just put this on again. Then I don't have it. Take out. So I need to curl it up again. Curl it up and put it on. And then just put this on. So that was pretty easy. So comment down below if it was easy or not. So for me, I done it like 7 times. So it's easy for me. And then it should look like this. So we're almost at the end. You need to flip it over, flip it over, and then there isn't tape here, so you need to put more tape. It can be like this or this, whichever is fine. But I prefer doing it like this, so it's better. It's better. And now the wing right here, the wing right here needs to go up. Should go up like that. Should go up. Don't do it that up. You just need to fold it down. Don't crease it that hard. Just do it like this. And then just, if it's too much up, it might not fly. So just make it down if it's too much high. If it's too much high. And then you do the same as this one. And then okay, it's too big. And it should look like this. So when the wind comes, it can go up. So now we need to tape this part right here. This part right here. We need to tape it so it doesn't flatter and stuff. Let's tape that part. Okay, tape this part and the back wing, back, whatever you call it. You can call it whatever you want. Like this. So put tape like a T, but this and this are separated. Okay, so this is mostly about it. Yeah. So if you want, you can cut this part. You can cut this part off, and then it'll make it a little. make it little, and it will still fly. So that's fine. And then that's pretty much it. But one last thing, you can't forget this. So the ruler doesn't come off. You need to tape the sides of it. Tape the sides so the ruler doesn't come off. Okay, like that. And then tape the other side as well. Okay, so this will make it stabilize, and that's why you need a ruler to do this. And then it will pretty fly. It will fly. Then, so you might need scissors. If you want to throw it like far away, you can just throw it like this. If you drill a hole like this, if you drill a hole, if you drill a triangle, if you cut it, it will be easier to like make it go farther. But I prefer not cutting it because it doesn't go that far if you cut this part. So okay, let's test it out. Let's go. Okay. Let's go. Okay. Just this door right there. Oh, it's really dark. Don't want to break it. Okay, go over here, and here, and that right here. Okay, just gonna put it right here. This is my mom's room. Back. Okay, so you need to throw it like this. So if you throw it, it'll go like this. Oh wait. Oh, I did it backwards. You need to do it like this. So this side up, like that, and then it'll make it go more farther. It pretty flies. It flies about 2 yards. 2 yards, about 2 yards. It flies well. Sometimes it flatters because of the wind. So, thank you for watching. I'm gonna go back to my room. Let's go. In this door. Okay, light. Need light. Light. Okay, great. Here. Okay, now comment down below if you liked it when you flew it. Only flies about 2 yards. It doesn't fly that much, but I think it's pretty cool. So we didn't like put glue on the yardstick. So whenever your mom or dad says no, you can just take it off, and then the yardstick's not gonna be that damaged. So this is about it, and thank you for watching, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I do game channels, and thank you for watching, and see you next.